Shruti Chekka. I got placed in Supercode Games as a Unity developer. At Backstage, I was doing CSGD, which is the Computer Science and Game Development course.
Hello, my name is Rakshit and I'm currently in BTech 4th year in this college. I've been placed at Supercode Games as a Unity developer.
My name is Rachit Walke and currently I am studying in the 4th year of the Backstage Pass. My course is CSGD, Computer Science and Game Development, and currently I got placed in Purple Talk company in my 3rd year.
So my name is Himanshu. I got placed in Supercode Games. I was studying BTech in Computer Science and Game Development in Backstage Pass, and I got the post of Unity Game Developer at Supercode Games.
Hi, my name is Rahul and my course is CSGD, and I was placed in Game Metronics, like Unreal and Unity programmer.
My name is Sonu Sivarai. Right now I am doing BTech in Computer Science and Game Development from Backstage Pass. Right now I am working as an intern game engineer at Purple Talk.
Experience with Backstage Pass has been pretty good. The mentors here, they're great. They've helped me achieve what I want. If I do have any doubts, I could go to them and easily approach them.
My experience with Backstage Pass has mostly been positive. I've learned a lot of things, met a lot of industry professionals, which has helped me out a lot.
After coming to the college, and they definitely helped with the placements and everything. So it was a pretty good experience.
Yeah, everything was cool. Mentors or faculty are very good, very casual with us, very supportive.
Really great, I got to learn so many new stuffs, new things, and the faculty is really nice.
In others, you get a general overview of everything. But my passion is in gaming side, so this is much more better for whoever's passion is in the gaming side.
Before this college, I was doing BSc in Computer Science. So the most thing which I find different was the hands-on experience that I have here, which wasn't available at my previous college. So,
as I said that I was interested in making games right from my childhood, and when I founded Backstage Pass, it gives specialized development training. Rather than we can also join colleges like computer science in BTech and all, but with Backstage Pass, there's faculty which give you specialized things in game development. That's why it's different from others.
So personally, I think doing my graduation here resulted in me knowing more about the industry than just having textbook knowledge. So being in Backstage Pass, I was able to learn what is actually required by the industry instead of just focusing on what the textbooks teach you.
Initially, it is very similar from any other software engineering course, but here we are specialized in game development also. So that is a plus here.
When we talk about Backstage Pass, you directly know what are the requirements of industry nowadays, and you can just improve your skill accordingly, and so that's different actually here.
My future plans is to get a job at a AAA company, hopefully outside India.
Learning more skills, learning new engines every day, growing my skills, and hopefully make a great game, a timeless gem.
For now, I am working as a game developer, as I said. Future, I am planning to switch to research in game development and computer graphics.
Yeah, my future plans are in game development.
When I talk about my future path, I want to become a gameplay programmer.